Can I go for a walk? Can I go for a walk? I've decided to do a video on a Sunday reset. I'm trying to get my life together, so I need a routine. Taking a dog for a walk. That was probably the quickest walk of my life. Everything just went wrong at once. Love that for me. But Puppy's all tired after that, and she's still like panting. She's still hot. I mean, it doesn't really help that she's lying in the sun. I've moved her into the shade and she's not having any of it. Right, so I really need to clean my room. I feel like it's really important to just declutter everything like on a weekly basis. Just because a clean room is a clean mind. It's good to have a clean space to live in, to do work in. If anyone knows how to save orchids, please let me know because I'm devastated about this. I might have overwatered it, probably. Brought a new succulent today. Oh my god, I love it. I think I'm gonna put it here. I don't know. Maybe that way round. I don't know, what do you guys think? I feel like it's so big compared to everything else, so I've decided to put this plant here instead and then change where that is and put that one there. I still don't know though. And now I'm just going to keep it on my bedside table. Just for now, I think that one looks better there. So now that my room's lovely and clean, I feel so fresh right now. I want to go through my bullet journal and just write down everything I have for the next week in my little calendar here. And then after I've done that, I'm going to do some manifestation. So if you didn't know what manifestation is, it's basically telling the universe what you want and getting it to happen by manifesting. This book I got for my birthday. I haven't actually used it yet, but every page looks like this. So you write the date, something you're grateful for, what's your intention, so what do you want to manifest, and then actions you're going to take to get that manifestation, and then something you're going to let go of so that this manifestation process can come true. Okay, now that I've bullet journaled away, I want to manifest. So to manifest, I like to have all the elements of the earth, so water, fire, air and earth. So I have loads of plants and crystals, so that will equal as earth. I'll keep my water bottle by me. I like some candles for the fire element, and for the wind element it can be like smoke or something like that, so I'll have sage and incense. I just feel like it's so important to have all the elements around you that the universe holds, so all the energy's there. like to leave the incense to just smoke out all the way to the bottom. I just feel like, in my eyes, I feel like if you just cut it off, it kind of just cuts off the whole intention. Now, to finish off my week, I want to put on a face mask and just chill out. I am watching the new season of Glow Up right now. It's on BBC iPlayer. It's like a makeup artist thing and it's just really fun to watch. I'm going to put Glen Coco face mask on from Lush. It smells like cake, chocolate cake. So I'm pretty much just going to chill now. I feel like it's really important to have a weekly reset just so you're prepared for next week, you're organised. It's a good thing for your mental state as well. It's just a way to reset your mind by cleaning your surroundings, making yourself feel good, giving yourself time to yourself. I usually don't have like a Sunday reset routine, but it's something I really want to try to do every Sunday because I feel like routine is what I need just to get my life together a little bit. So I hope you're taking me seriously with this face mask on. But if you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, comment and subscribe to see more of me and my animals. Let me know down in the comments if you have a weekly routine, and if so, what do you do? Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.